Hello everyone, I'm Masathito Muroi from NTT. I'm glad to be here again. Today, I want to talk about we made OpenStack more friendly to a newcomer. As you know, the OpenStack community and the interest for it are rapidly growing up. The number of attendees for the summit shows the growth. The number raises 70 times from the beginning only for 4 years. So if you are a beginner of OpenStack, what do you do first? First, you use deployment tool like a DevStack or other deployment tool to use OpenStack, and then you can touch the great feature of OpenStack. Second, you test OpenStack CLI to get more feature. Finally, you would research OpenStack API to combine your app with OpenStack API. Before you using OpenStack API, you can visit the Offshore API references and you can get the details of all APIs. By the way, to be kindness, what kind of information should the document have? I think there are 3 answers. First of all, user wants to know when the server accepts the user request. Second, the user wants to know the result of each API they called. If a server returns the result of a request, user wants to know what is changed by the request. If a server returns only accept of a request and works asynchronously, user wants to know the result of the asynchronously task and when the task finishes. Finally, if some occurs error after API calling API, user wants to know how to troubleshoot. So it means how to fix the error and how to recover the trouble. Unfortunately, the Offshore Documents didn't have the useful information as well as the details of every parameters. So we improved this situation to more friendly of OpenStack. So we added this information to an Offshore document. This is a quick example. Here you can find here is a precondition that you need to satisfy before you call create server API. Next, here is the result of the API, which represents the status change of the VM instances. Finally, you can find how to troubleshoot the trouble after calling API. I guess your interest is how we got these informations. So we use 2 methods to get these. First is we read codes of each project, and we got these information. But of course, we can't read all codes of project because developers are committing every day, and so the code is changing. So next, another method is we made new tempest test to check the OpenStack API works well or not. The test brought us the original information to share the all OpenStack users and then we committed this information. Next, your interest is what kind of test we did. The answer of it is in the video that I already presented how we made carrier-grade cloud using OpenStack at the last summit. So after watching this video, you can check out this video. Thank you for listening. If you have any contact, please contact me by the mail. Thank you.